Sabi nila ka naman.
Can I have it? Low reaction.
Oh, wait. I didn't see. Look.
Low reaction.
May buto. Good morning, Kuya Alice.
Day 5.
Good morning, Himil. Good morning. What's up, guys? We are going to the beach, and then today pupunta kami dun sa family ni Mami Sonia na nandito sa Hawaii. So everybody's going to the beach for now kasi after lunch pa kami pupunta dun eh. So let's go swim again. Hello! Hi, Sheila! Hi, Olivia! Hi, Ethan! Sila tatay?
Sunod lang sila daw.
Okay,
let's go! Ramadan, Olivia! Mauna sila malimutin.
Let's go! Can I put this on your ears? Put it on your ears, man! Okay, Olivia na lang. Olivia, come here. Okay, Alice. Wow! Here, Olivia! Here, let me see. See Sheila, wait. We're gonna find flowers for Sheila. Morning. Ganda nung Diamond Head, oh. May nahanap kaming small spot malapit sa hotel. Ito lang yung hotel namin sa kabila. Oh yeah, take off your shoes. Himil wants to go swimming.
No.
He's not gonna go swimming?
No.
Okay, let's go. Hawaii. Malamig yung tubig? Oh my God! Why? What's up, guys? Change of plan. Dito na kami ngayon sa pool ulit sa hotel. At gusto ng mga batang maligo ng matagal-tagal. Mga 1 PM pa kasi kami pupunta dun sa family ni Mami Sonia. We made it! We made it. Hi. Hi, Olivia. Oh, look at this. A wine girl. She's a wine girl. Let's go. Nandito na tayo sa Iwa area. Ayun sila, Mami, oh. Parang walang tao. The North Shore. Nice shirt, bro.
You got this for me.
I know, bro. Yes. That's nice. Walang tao. Uwi na.
I want to see their house.
Oh, look at the lizard, man.
Why does Mommy have so many relatives?
I don't know. May mangga kaya sila dito?
Oh, look at the cactuses. Remember the cactus plants I grow?
Oh yeah, that's a big cactus.
I want to touch one of them. Oh yeah.
Yeah, just touch it, slowly.
Slowly.
Ganun, no?
No.
Ano, Mami? Umakit na kayo sa gate. Kamag-anak nyo naman yan, di ba?
No trespassing, sabi.
Sabihin mo kamag-anak nyo ako, di ba? Tao po! Tao po! Ah, may mango. May mango tayong akitin.
Sandali lang daw.
Ayun na.
Naku, nagpipilay siya, te.
Hello po! Si Mami muna. Hello po!
Ito pala si Ating Tarsi. Ito yung sikat doon na
Talagang marunong. Generous. Talaga itong bayaw ko, ha?
Ito yung binabalita doon na mayaman.
Mayaman. Bumalik niya ako sa umang bahay namin.
Hello po! Nice to meet you po! Oh, ganda. Merong dito. Tambayan. What's up? Oh, ito natatandaan ko. Dati sa Philippines may ganito. Oh, binabala yan sa parang tirador eh. Di ba? Bless po sa lolo. Hello po. Oh, may kukunan kaming mango para mamaya. Ayan oh, dami oh. Ayun oh, mangga oh. Laki oh. Hi Ethan. Hi Kuya Alice.
Kilala ko na kayo. Ateng, ito yung panganay. Yung mister niya, ayun. Si Romalyn, si Gerard. Dalawang anak. Ang gagandang si Christine. Babae. Ito si Marlo Bunso. Yung real estate? Yeah.
Apo.
Siya ang nagdala sa amin dito. Kaya nakarating kami dito lahat. Talaga? Oo.
Ito oh, may panungkit oh. Who wants to try?
Makiki-harvest po.
Ayan na. Ano pong klaseng mangga yan?
Hindi ko alam si Kuya si Uncle mong nakakaalam.
Indian mango kaya to? Ibang amoy niya sa Indian mango. Pero matamis. Yeah. Ang dami nilang santo.
May alaga sila ng
What kind?
Maltese.
Maltese? Ano yan?
Aso. piraso, maliliit.
Oo.
Daddy, why is there no coconut in that?
Hindi, ano yan, small coconut lang yan, design lang yan. Coconut tree yan, pero ibang kind ng coconut tree. It's like a baby coconut.
Can we break it? I wanna eat the white thing.
Hindi, wala dyang white thingy. Guys, binanata na po yung mangga. Sarap. Tapos, meron daw, chico sa likod. Tingnan natin. Ano yan, guyabano? Ayun, yung puno ng chico. Oh.
Ang dami, oh.
Daw makain yan eh.
Tingnan mo kalamansi, oh.
Oh, wow.
Mga hinog lang.
May kalamansi din sila, oh. Ang asim na mangga. Oh, yeah, may kamyas din dito. Ayos, ah. Ito ang palaya. Yeah, pretty cool. Parang Pilipinas lang talaga tong Hawaii. Sa Canada, hindi natin mapapatubo yung ganong fruits and trees. Kaya si Ellis gusto niyang tumira na lang dito. Look, oh, ang laki ng kalamansi, oh. Kunin ko. Oh, who wants kalamansi? Cut mo nga, tite. Kalamansi. Wow. Tikman mo.
Talagang madaling yung
Wanna try kalamansi, Ellis?
It's good for you.
Kalamansi, kalamansi.
Can I have it?
no reaction.
Oh, wait. I didn't see. Look.
React.
Dito, let me see. May buto. Luwa mo yung buto.
I'm gonna do no reaction, guys.
Yeah, boy. Wow. Olivia. Si Emil, no reaction. No. Wala reaction. Oh, wow.
More.
Ano mo si Emil?
1,
Olivia!
2, 3, go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, bite.
Bite.
Bye. Oh, no reaction.
Bite.
Oh, no reaction. Bite.
Everything.
Magkano take a picture with Tita? Yeah, look at the camera. Hey, Daddy. Good job, anak. Good job. How about you?
Where's Emil?
Pero ang hilig ni Ellie sa ganun. Ano ka? Mag-gulis
Okay guys, dinner time. Let's go, Emil. Hold Daddy's hand. We're gonna go to a restaurant. Holding Emil. Emil, look oh. Hi. We're here. Hi, Bria. Bruha. Oh, wow. Let's go. Dinner time. We're gonna be eating at DR Grill. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kakainin natin doon. I think for grilled. 5 o'clock pa pala. Oh, shoot. It's so early. DB Grill. Oh, since we're early, pupunta muna kami dun sa Target para magsayang ng oras. Oh, there's water, Emil. Go. Go, mag-wish sila Kuya Elijah. Go, Kuya Elijah.
I wish to become the richest man in the world.
Yeah. All done. Thank you. Hindi ko na nakuha yung mga hugging ng mga Hawaiian eh. It's gonna take us 30 to 40 minutes drive back to the hotel. Bye guys. Thank you sa family ni Mommy.